In this video, we're going to learn how to write words as digits. So if we have a problem like this that says, how do you write the word 85 as digits? So the first thing we need to do is use this chart that shows place value. So these are the tens and these are the ones. So if we have a word like this, 85, so we could look for the word 80. 80 is part of the tens, and then 5 is part of the ones. And you can pause this video just to get used to what this table looks like and to remember which ones are part of the tens and which ones are part of the ones. Okay, so if we're going to write that word 85 as digits, as numbers, so we need to pick out 80 from the chart. So this is 80. And so we know that 80 looks like this, 80, right? Because it says so here in the chart. And then 5 looks like this, right? So this is 5, and then that's how you write 5. But this is not correct, right? So you don't write 85 as 85. So this is incorrect. So let's cross that out. Okay, so the right way to do it is, and you'll have to remember this with place value, is it's going to be 85. That's how you write it. This is the tens and this is the ones. So 85. That's the right way to do it. So if you had 82, it would be 82. If you had 83, it would be 83, like this. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video, and don't worry, anyone can do math. And if you need extra resources, just look in my description. There's links to different videos of mine that are like this. And also there's an ebook that you could download and follow along this exact video in the ebook. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks.